Hello, my friends. In this detailed lesson, we will thoroughly learn and truly get to know the correct and precise way to effectively set and assign a specific period of time to automatically turn off your phone's screen. For example, a brief 30 seconds, 1 full minute, or even 5 minutes. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. So, you simply open the default settings app that is available on all iPhones. Just open it as usual. After that, you will need to scroll down just a little bit and carefully look for the option clearly labeled display and brightness. And if your phone is in another language, please remember the icons and the specific locations you need to go to, so I will tap right here. Then, scroll down a bit more until you find the option distinctly labeled Auto Lock. Previously, I had meticulously set it to a specific duration of 30 seconds. So as soon as that precise 30-second period passes, the phone's entire screen will automatically turn off. As you can clearly observe, when I gently tap here on the screen, I am completely unable to change the current selection or make any adjustments. Therefore, to resolve this issue, I will proceed to completely turn off the low power mode feature, which is currently active. So I will pull down the notification bar from the top. Then, at that point, I will proceed to disable this particular option. Now I will go back to the previous place. As you can see now, this option to adjust the settings has been unlocked. So I will tap here. And as you can see now, you can set a specific time, for example, 4 minutes, 2 minutes, or for instance, 3 minutes. Or you can choose the very last available option. With this particular option, the phone screen will never ever turn off at all, remaining continuously active. So I will definitely leave this important option set to a comfortable 5 minutes because I use my phone quite a lot throughout the day for various tasks and activities. If you've reached this point, don't forget to check out this playlist. This comprehensive playlist contains some incredibly helpful iPhone tutorials. Within it, you will undoubtedly find many important and beneficial guides that you will truly appreciate and gain significant value from. Goodbye for now, my dear friends.